Hello guys and welcome to my channel Rough Roads. Guys, today I'm in Al Madam area. It's a beautiful inland town of Emirates of Sharjah. So what I'm going to do, I will just cross this area and I will go towards 2nd December area. And when I will reach 2nd December area, then I will show you that what's there. Hey guys, welcome back. So I reached here on 2nd December area, and the best part of this area is you can park your car like this. There is a beautiful road here. You can come in any car. Okay, just park your car here, bring your tea with you, enjoy the sunset, come with your friends or do whatever you guys want. Enjoy your life and subscribe my channel. Keep liking my videos. Take care and bye bye.